I just turn the water on at the meter to this place because I want to check for my clients if everything's working, and it wasn't locked. So I open the meter and I want to make sure that the water heater's working. So we've got an older gas water heater here. We always make sure that the water supply is on before we turn on the gas or electric supply to a water heater, or else we can ruin it. So I made sure that was open, made sure the gas line was open, and then it's similar to a gas fireplace where you turn the indicator to pilot and then you can depress the button. And then I put my took my log lighter here, reached in, and actually it looks like I'll need to do it again because I shut it off, but I'm just gonna take my log lighter. Basically I'll hold the button down and put the flame right there, and that'll light the pilot. So actually now the pilot's going, and you'll be able to see that I'm gonna turn the knob up, and it actually lights up the burner. So if we were doing an electric one, we would always also make sure that the water supply was on. Gotta make sure there's water in the tank before we turn the breaker on. But that's how we go above and beyond.